Better you eat for me. 1, 2, 3. So what? Too yummy? Is it yummy? You didn't see my food or what? Hello guys, ka channel ak lo lom le vek chawa hi dollar rukin kan le chunga hianin pani puri somthum oma chuanin kan patan ka siam sak dona ka siam dan te ka lo ti lang don nia o dollar somnga le pakwa a dollar nga le kwa ti chon dollar ruk angan ta India poisa chuanin bom khat hi zathum somnga vel ni cho chuanin ta hianin I adik taka chuanin hei chickpea mo chana khan hmanga ma se ka nei rem chang lo wangin ke chuanin vai mim corn sweet corn ka tel don ni mo ka siam dang ka lo ti lang don nia hei hi alu ka chum min sa nia ka pol tur hau ka lo ti lang det don ne o chuan hei hi black pepper o hei hi tuna ka pol chia kha dhania powder o tuna chi kan phulang hei hi red pepper crush mo mar chamu ang ve daw ni chu katelanga hemi aya hian vairam ami ang chu nei la kha chili powder ang kha thatur ne ka nei si lawa chon ti hian purun sen ka tel leng puwang ne pak non chu lo chak ne camera phone ngai ve box sia boi thak ne he mai ka lang pei lo ni chu mel chet tap mo tu na tak chuan khan mix to ni chu mom tui ve wang mar chamu thak pa ngai ka tel bel nei the taste dan zon rot koi to pa non tlem la sho da om kha tui ve no ni chu mom al dam po thak dam po to che ma tel bel ngai to lo ka tem chin mo ka taste chin ni chu ang ka chok ang ka mix anga han pani puri han kan da do na chumi ma chuanin sauce pakhat pani puri an tel thwa tui kha ka le mo vai do ra ka nia chu ka lo hu zo ang chu hemi corn hi sweet corn ania ka chum so se kanga I ka siam dang ka thlak le do na tuya tel lavin alu a ka mix sa do ni chu o turmeric vel tui mo pani puri tui an tel thin kha nia kan chok dawanga te po ang hini chuan fiang khat ba ka ngai don lawa ma se chwa har to ta hian kan da nga tui nen ka pol don ni chuma tui khat tileng o ari ma tui me ma pudina vel ne na mix sa ve ka nya mo hei atui nei na sa ma cha thur o ama khu thur ta pawang tui te lang ai tengtere an tel to mo thur ta pa a hlang chuanin ei ngam chin lo tui kan tel dalang tui kan pulanga khan kan taste zo mai don ni chumo a taste dan a taste tak ka chu vai mi mi frozen ni vai mi mai me ma chon tui da ya ka chia phota chon tu na alu ne ya kan chop polanga tui don ni mo thak ro to alu ma se kan lo ti lang se lang o Hi guys, kanchana kalno lomle cho voin cho guest kamne ya my husband in law request ang kan uje story kha mukbang channel la hen law invite variant ya everyone request you so I'm voin we gonna eat what do you remember what we gonna eat
Pani Puri and egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup favorite na kay ma recipe niya kasyam la kalaw video thing la hing chu kasyam dang kalaw video fika this one we call can explain look ni oh let me explain to him this one we call bindi. It's kind of made from chickpea. You want to taste one piece to know what it tastes like?
That's good.
Yeah, you have to add it. And this one is made out of mango. It's sweet and spicy. And this one is made out of mint. You know this one?
Oh, yeah.
It's a pani puri paste, they call so it. And then this one, boiled tomato, potato, alu kan chumo, kalau siam tang out ilang vekto ha. Boiled potato and some onions and stuff, chili. So you know how to eat, right? You break it.
And then you stuff it.
You
And you
stuff it.
stuff it with everything.
I think the best is stuff the sauce first, like this, because otherwise after you put the potato, everything drop out.
Right.
Maybe I have too much. The spoon is too big for the potato, I guess. Is it hard for you to eat?
Find out, right? And then we'll just put it on it.
I think I need more whole. I think the second one you break like that, like this, you know. See, like this. Yeah, and everything, everything go in, and then you can put whatever you want. Everything.
Right.
Like I put
And
this
the
one
sauce first.
since I have bigger spot. The best is sauce though, and then you can put this one.
Oh, okay.
Try everything.
Well, do I put potatoes in there?
Yeah, and then your mint also if you want. Put the mint.
Also?
Yeah. It's not a clean food. I mean, like, it can be messy. It's not a big deal. Can you pour for me a little bit mint? 2 tiệm. 2 em. Is that what 2 em? Is it yummy? You didn't see my food or what? Really? Yeah.
You keep moving it on me.
You like it?
So good.
Mình có xem đàn chỗ xong tụi có ăn tươi ha. Chicken powder thì cần nè tùy sa han. Chicken powder ha cái tia chọn ăn tùy pum thum vel ha. Cái chok sa chọn cái zulea. I'm explaining to them how I make this soup. Cái mà recipe niya tu mà xem đàn cái giờ lâu hết chụp cái tham nào cầm pan tùy từ tu. I think this is the third time I make, right? Có phải thum xem nan to ăn đủ tu mình requires rồi ngamo cái recipe niya chọn dịch luôn hoa xin tao đâu cái chân hay. Dịch lùng hoa xin đâu đừng có chân chọn marcha te coriander mo dania te cái tela thì khan ar tui nen mushroom te nen mo tu chọn carrot te po te si aya soya sauce cái tela. You really like it?
Yeah.
You know, this time this pani puri is different. They come with all these pack.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the last time we bought, remember it's visible. This one is with the box and the inside. How is the potato? I boil potato first.
Yeah, you did a good job.
I break it and I mix with all
Is
cumin
that too
seed.
much potato?
Huh?
Too much potato?
No, it's okay.
Good.
However you want, it's up to you. If you go to India, street food, they will serve like that and then put whatever, and then you.
How's the soup?
Fry. Nào lâu băng chứ cái lâu capture nè.
Oh, it's the big spoon.
I give you big spoon. I take for myself. Small. Tụi em.
Do it, look, look.
Tôi lúc tục trộn rồi sao? Trộn. Remember I bought this plate in what do you call that $1 store, Dollar Tree, for $1.25.
The one in Effingham?
No, when I was in Indiana, the plate, this
Oh.
plate. You know they increase all Dollar Tree is no more $1. It's all $1.25. Oh, I dropped.
It's good.
That's impressive, you know. How is the soup?
I like it a lot.
Say có đủ lưu tục. Ai đủ lưu tục từ đó. Có đủ lưu tục.
Got a little too.
That means I like it a lot. Ui tuy về đó. Vai hậu xem ai chẳng truy ruột. Vai hậu xem con sen mình có tên truy nào. Sometimes I don't feel like eating the one they make in the street. The pani puri.
You like making it on your own?
Thanks for doing with me, though.
You're welcome.
Eat fast before I finish. If a vat rock mine, your wife eat a lot. My potato, I didn't mess it because I don't want them to be so messy. So I mess with my hand, not pounding or not breaking. Alu hi den som to bai ton ku ta me khan tlem he la show do tho mo yam tui so alu rot ni ber cha tui lu to la sao watch
Oh.
hey Sam aqua say aqua
Aqua?
you know what's aqua the hole
Mm.
making the holes aqua very aqua oh better I do on top of it so I don't make a mess here. Oh my god, that's big. Look. Nice,
Whoa.
like mountain. Ooh. Here, I make for you. Better you eat it for me. 1, 2, 3. That's big. Okay, make mine. You're romantic lao thấy sao? Make mine. Xem sao roti pe ngay. Giấy lầu về sao? Giấy lầu tục là sao? No! Chị, anh mắt thì lâu mình bê cả tung tên ổng rau là sao? Lal tori! Ngal lúc tục mấy chim ổng pa. Chim ổng lúc tục.
It's the best.
Chim ổng lúc tục. Don't pick up more. Make sure. Did you put every sauce? What about the mint?
No, you want me to make it, so it's my way.
Oh, let's go. Man, moro. Fast.
Here you go.
Happy birthday.
Raw.
Thank you. It's good. Atuy-tok. Atuy-tok. That's our Pani Puri. Atuy-tok. What's that mean?
Lazoa likes Pani Puri a lot.
No. That's our Pani Puri. Atuy-tok. That means that's our Pani. That's our Pani Puri is very yummy. Are you happy your wife make this today?
Oh yeah. You did a good job.
Say in Mizo, no?
That you did a good job? I don't know those words.
I'll teach you, okay?
Okay. Kind of pui.
Iticha.
Ititra?
Lutuk.
Lutu.
Ticha is like good.
Titra?
Tuti cha.
Titra?
Kano pui iticha lutuk.
Titra.
You know lutuk already.
Yeah.
Iticha lutuk. Ticha is like, you know, kind of like good job or good work or like when you exam and then you first in the first number 1 place exam, they will say, oh, iticha lutuk, congratulations.
Oh no. Too much. Wrote too much. We're gonna make it work.
I really like it because you can see your face. Your face there.
My face?
No, our face. In the sorry, in the bed
I don't think I got any in there.
inside.
Yeah. Almost none.
Is it too far for you?
No. I got long arms. Thank you.
Oy. You're a messy eater. I'm just kidding, you're not. But this food you can be messy because of street food. Noklo to katya ka fiam me at sancho Pani Puri hi chu a novel hi harmo Ei pop pop angai shem he a boy thak vel to khi tom pot a ke le to. I break again, but it's okay. What I'll do, I'm just gonna dump like this on the top. Hãy thấy hai trong sắm nha mọi tí đó sắm tụ đi nào hay không hey bundi kan tiếng ha vai hậu bundi.
What are we gonna do with the mint sauce tomorrow?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll do some more of that.
I have plenty so you can dump. I have plenty like because I put little then I didn't know that this come with that mint and then I ate that again so it looks
That's more.
Potato is still good. We can eat it with rice also. We eat a lot of rice. Kan udah mo cho rice kan ina so to light tin to every evening most of na. Ni min to ka him to ka pa min en rang long. I told them that yesterday I eat too much rice. You kept on watching me. Min en char. In how she see kamo ai he so ai vak vak hi phalon chu to ka ti chuan rice mo bu fai he vak vak phalla sugar tamatya.
It's almost gone.
I have a lot of soup if you want more. Dinner. This is our dinner.
Oh.
No more food.
No more food for tonight? How about a mocha? For
Mocha.
dessert.
Mocha eh nga to. I'm gonna have just a potato here. I like this potato a lot. Because there's no oil, nothing, you know. We swak them may box. I say I scoop too big. Oh, soup I have lemon juice katel. I not lemon lime juice katel.
Lime.
I put lime juice. I add here cumin powder, black pepper, chili flakes, and salt, onions, and coriander. Eat without nothing. It's not bad though. And I add corns because I thought this one don't come with this. Go ahead, I have vitamin katil chanchu pani puri ham. Different try khanwam katia chon ke chu I like to make my own recipe, you know. Ke ma phwa chop hinwam ka ti shima chu wangin he hi alo ti lo shilo bok ne han vitamin hi katel mi o. Rong ka bo sakre re hen ke ma phwa chop fek ni zel mo ma se 20 ve the.
Only the bitter gourd.
Chơi chẳng kha.
That's the only one.
Chơi chẳng kha.
Chanka.
Tuy lâu.
Tui lao.
Lutuk. What's that mean?
It's not good.
Yeah, you're so smart.
It's so much.
Say again. Chẳng kha tuy lâu lutuk.
Chanka.
Tuy lâu lutuk.
Tui lao lutuk.
Tuy lutuk is very yummy. Tuy lâu lutuk means not yummy.
I like because you drop your jaw and go real guttural. Lao.
Che. Che. Let's go. Che. You say che to your wife?
No.
Che. Che. Okay. Can you
we
give
did
me
good.
that sauce?
Yeah, which one?
Both.
Right.
It's very busy job of food. Minti buhay top ning katingay to lawang. Next time no more mukbang with this food. I can't eat. It's so weird that makes us full.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's the potatoes.
Alu ni ka rin kan formal. You can take my potato if you want. Just do like that. Oh. Vicky. Don't say like that. Say Vaki.
Lucky.
Why you always say Vicky? Say Vaki.
Lucky.
Say. Say. Oh my
knows.
god, you're so.
He knows it's funny.
Chim That's so chim.
No. Lao.
Like no use of it or something. Or yeah. Yes. Every time I mukbang, he disturb me like that.
He's jealous.
We do talk video kasi am people thing. I kind of forgot we make video. It's just so delicious.
Yeah, it is. You get lost in eating.
Oh, it's very nice. Oh my god, they fall down.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's missing. It's okay. Scarlett will eat. Anh nào ế rồi tổ ta. When time for today it's enough, right?
Yeah, we did good.
Probably we can have it once a week, maybe. In a weekend, maybe. Or maybe let's see. Let's say I do now request or comments on. What did I say?
Let us know in the requests if you want us on.
Ah, smart. If you like Lalzawa, my husband Tori, if you like him to mukbang with me again, please comment down below. Time next vlog I'm hule don na thak to boxy. We'll see you next vlog, okay? Bye bye. Vek wo kay hule don niya.